Hey everyone, it's Daniela TallGirlDani, and to see how I achieve this stretched out flat twist out, keep watching. So I started doing my hair before I decided to record the video. So at the last minute, I decided to just show how I installed these flat twists. So I begin detangling with my wide tooth comb, and once that section is detangled, then I go through with my rake comb and really detangle at the roots. So part of the reason why I don't do flat twists very often is because my hair really, it likes to get tangled even after it's been detangled. So flat twisting can be a little bit hard, and you'll see when I start to flat twist just how difficult it is to even keep my hair separated. So I kind of have to yank my hair apart gently, of course, to keep my hair from tangling and wrapping up around each other. So I start by grabbing two pieces as if I'm doing a regular two-strand twist, and then as I continue, I'm picking up a little bit more hair around each section, if that makes sense. So as you can see, even though I just fully detangle my hair, it is tangled and I have to keep separating my hair out as I twist. This is also a very chunky flat twist, so all in all, I don't have that many flat twists around my head. And once I get towards the end, I go through with my paddle brush just to make sure that it's fully detangled before two-strand twisting all the way down to the ends. So this is what it looks like when it's all complete. I have a total of 8 flat twists, 4 on each side. So this is 2 days after I flat twisted my hair. So when my hair is in flat twist, it does take a very long time to fully dry. And also because they were really big twists, I really had to make sure that it fully air dried. So I wore my hair in that style with the flat twist just pinned up. This very last day, the pins were starting to come out. But I actually, wore my hair like that and got a lot of compliments with my hair like that as well. So for the takedown, I'm using this Telia Wedged leave-in shine spray and running that through my hair and just starting to unravel the twist. So what I noticed with the flat twist is as I got to the roots, there really wasn't that much definition, but it did stretch my hair more than I think a regular chunky two-strand twist would. So although it wasn't as defined at the roots as I would have liked, my roots were definitely stretched for them to be, for them to have been wet and twisted. So my hair is kind of an interesting mix of defined and undefined. So I haven't rocked a flat twist out in a super long time, and I was getting ready to go to the Drake concert with my girlfriends when I was recording this takedown, so I didn't have that much time to figure it out. So once I unraveled everything, I separated the two-strand twist. So I separated it out and made it a little less chunky. And again, in separating it out, it did take away some of the definition, which I'm fine with. So I just continued to separate them. I tend to not separate the front because my hair doesn't hold definition there that much anyway. So I go in with my wide tooth comb and begin to pick it out. Here I actually picked it out more towards the ends because I wanted the ends to just get bigger. So what I did notice with the flat twists is that the ends were not as defined, not defined, that's the wrong word. The ends were not as full. So because my hair was really puffy at the top, it appeared to be kind of thin towards the bottom, so not as voluminous as the top. So really with me picking out my hair, it was just kind of trying to match the volume of the roots and make it bigger so that it didn't look all straggly and just thin at the ends. So I ended up putting a bobby pin towards the front just to make sure that those pieces stayed where I wanted. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I had to go, so I didn't even take pictures or anything. So please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.